What 1 million naira can do at a Nigerian party in 2026? Can 1 million naira still throw a proper Nigerian party in 2026? Or will it just disappoint you? Prices have changed. Food is more expensive. Decor costs more. Even small chops are no longer small money. So today, we're spending exactly 1 million naira, line by line, and at the end, you'll see the honest truth. Is it enough or not? Let's start. We're not talking about a celebrity wedding in Lagos. We're talking about a normal Nigerian party. Maybe a birthday, maybe an introduction, maybe a small wedding reception, around 100 guests. Average pricing in places like Abuja and Lagos. Nothing exaggerated. Now, let's spend the money. First, the venue. In 2026, a decent hall for about 100 to 150 guests costs between 200,000 naira and 350,000 naira. Let's go modest. 250,000 naira. That gives you a simple hall. Basic chairs, maybe tables included. Nothing luxury, just decent. Money left? 750,000 naira. Already 25% gone. Next, decoration. Simple backdrop, basic stage design, table covers, centerpieces. In 2026, minimal decor starts around 180,000 naira. Let's budget 200,000 naira. Clean, simple, respectable, but not Instagram luxury. Money left? 550,000 naira. We haven't fed anybody yet. Now, food. This is where things get serious. For 100 guests, jollof rice, fried rice, chicken or turkey, small chops, soft drinks, and water. Average catering per plate now sits around 3,000 naira. Multiply that by 100 guests. 300,000 naira. Money left? 250,000 naira. And that if nobody carries takeaway. Next, MC and DJ. You cannot skip this. A basic MC costs between 50,000 and 80,000 naira. A decent DJ goes for 60,000 to 100,000 naira. Let's budget 120,000 total. Money left? 130,000 naira. Notice how fast this money is running? Now, photography and videography. You'll need memories. Basic coverage plus a short highlight video. Around 100,000 naira. Money left? 30,000 naira. And we're not done. Generator fuel, extra drinks, security, unexpected charges, tips. That remaining 30,000 naira? Gone. Total spent? 1 million naira. So what did you get? A clean venue, simple decor, good food for 100 guests, standard MC and DJ, basic media coverage. What didn't you get? No live band, no luxury floral explosion, no celebrity MC, no premium cocktail bar, no viral Instagram moment. Just a decent, respectable Nigerian party. Nothing more. Now here's the real question. If prices increase again next year, will 1 million naira even handle food alone? Be honest. Is 1 million naira enough in 2026? Or is it now small money? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you're planning a party soon, what's your budget looking like? Subscribe for more real breakdowns because Nigerian parties are changing fast and we're tracking every naira. See you in the next one.